ninjas put on a disguise so the blackberries won't know who's stealing their huckleberries. No, the real reason she puts on the
bugs will eat
ninja
me.
mask is so she won't get eaten by the bugs.
Or the horsefly.
Yeah.
That's why I go ninja.
Ninja girl. There you go. Morning, Lori.
Good morning.
Look out the window. Look out the door.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Beautiful. Way up on the mountaintop. We're still kind of in the bed this morning. Waking up.
Looks like a painting. This is the way how we want to wake up. And it's very quiet. Nobody's here. Dear. Hi, dear. Cutie. Hi, dear. Not afraid of people.
No.
It's like wanted to have something to eat. Hi, dear.
Coming over to visit.
Yes, hi.
I don't have any food for you, buddy.
No, he's eating huckleberry.
Look at those big ears.
Yes. Hi, dear. So cute. Hi, dear. Hi. It's like a puppy replying the ears.
Yeah?
Hi, dear.
Doesn't get much cuter than that. First thing in the morning, nothing like finding some huckleberries hidden behind a tree. Breakfast for Lori. So that's kind of a neat little drop off there. The logging road, yeah. It's a logging road, but there's no way I can drive on that.